Welcome to JKS Videos. Jio BlackRock's Flexi Cap Fund launch, a new era in equity investment fund overview and objectives. Jio BlackRock Mutual Fund is set to launch its first active equity fund, a Flexi Cap Fund. The Jio BlackRock Flexi Cap Fund will open for subscription on September 23 and close on October 7. The Jio BlackRock Flexi Cap Fund is an open-ended, dynamic equity scheme investing across large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks. The investment objective of the scheme is to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing in equity and equity-related instruments across market capitalizations. Investment strategy and approach. The fund will be benchmarked against the Nifty 500 Index, TRI, and will be managed by Tanvi Kacheria and Sahil Chaudhary. The fund house posted on the social media platform X about the launch of its Flexi Cap Fund. It stated that the fund is India's first active equity fund powered by Systematic Active Equity, SAE. Systematic Active Equity is BlackRock's proprietary investment approach that translates signals into actionable investment opportunities, where AI meets human expertise, and traditional and alternative data are combined to uncover smarter investment ideas. The fund house further emphasized that this isn't just another Flexi Cap fund, but a new way to invest intelligent, agile, and built for scale. Understanding Systematic Active Equity. What is a Systematic Active Equity approach? The scheme will follow an active investment strategy that adopts a systematic approach to stock selection and portfolio construction. This approach allows fund managers to respond proactively to changing market conditions and emerging opportunities. Target investors. Who should invest? According to the Scheme Information Document (SID) of the Flexi Cap Fund, the fund is suitable for investors seeking long-term capital appreciation and exposure to equity and equity-related instruments across all market capitalizations. Thanks for watching.